Children, today we are studying about the reproductive health and birth control methods. The contents of today's session is definition of reproductive health. We will study birth control methods and sexually transmitted diseases mainly. So what is reproductive health? It is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being in all matters relating to the reproductive system, its functions and processes. What is the need? What is the importance of reproductive health education? It helps in educating the youth. It creates awareness among adolescents about various safe sexual practices. Then it also helps in preventing the sexually transmitted infections. And one more very important aspect is that when all these health education is there, then the mother and the child are also taken care of. Birth control, why it is important? It is important because population is a very major problem of our country, and it is very important for our country to control the population, to take some measures so that the population is controlled. For that, there are contraceptive methods. That means prevention of the pregnancy in women. Let's see the birth control methods. The birth control methods are barrier method, chemical method, and surgical method. Barrier method means to use physical devices like condoms and diaphragms so that the sperms and the eggs do not meet, do not fertilize. It stops the sperms from entering the vagina. Chemical methods in which the oral pills are used and vaginal pills are used. Now, what happens when oral pills and vaginal pills are used? Actually, oral pills are hormones, and these hormones prevent the formation of eggs. Means ovulation does not take place when these oral pills are taken, or it may make the endometrium thin. So that the implantation process cannot take place, or it makes the cervix mucus thick so that the sperms they do not enter the uterus. There is one more type of device known as IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive device, which destroys or reduces the mobility of the sperms. Surgical methods. In surgical methods, there are two different methods. One which is done in males, vasectomy, and the other which is done in females, known as tubectomy. In case of vasectomy, the vas deferens is cut and ligated. Thus, the sperms are not able to reach the urethra. That is why it is called vasectomy. The word has come from vas deferens. In case of tubectomy, the fallopian tubes are cut and ligated. Thus, the ovules which are formed in the ovaries, they do not reach the uterus, or it does not allow the sperms to reach the fallopian tube or the ovules for fertilization process. Sexually transmitted diseases are those diseases which spread by sexual contact with an infected person. They are also known as STDs. They are divided into two categories, the bacterial diseases and the viral diseases. Example of bacterial diseases are gonorrhea, syphilis. Example of viral diseases are AIDS and warts. This completes today's session. I hope you understood it.